Hey guys, welcome back. It's AJ with Everyday Patio. I just want to say thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to do a little bit different of a video. We're going to show how to install a 4K fence with hidden U-channels. So it's a new system that just came out and I'm really excited to show it. We've been doing quite a few fences this year and this is probably the best material and type of fence that I've built in 2023. So I'm glad to be able to show it to you guys. It's white powder coated aluminum. We're gonna put 3 posts. Right now you're seeing me mark out kind of exactly where the posts are gonna go. Basically I split it, the difference in the middle, and went out, I believe 11 feet each way. I think the entire length of the planter was like 23 feet, 6 inches, and we were going 22 feet for the fence, privacy fence. So that's the material right there. They're 1x4 slats. You can get other sizes, but that's the size we're going to use for this build. And that's the hidden U-channel that we're going to be attaching to the 2x2 posts that we're putting in. And those are the covers for the U-channel. So again, really cool system. It's awesome to be able to throw in your 1x4 slats, screw them in, and then be able to cover those screws. Here we're cutting down the posts. So those are 2x2 structural posts we're using, powder coated. It should last you about 20 years on the paint. No rust, so that's huge. And no wood, so it's not going to deteriorate. Here we're putting concrete anchors into the wall, and we're going to just attach the fence directly to the wall. So you could do a footing attached to the top. You could mount it a lot of different ways, but in this case the cleanest way was just to put it to the wall. It wasn't too high either. It was about 6 feet tall, so kind of matched up. We originally did 5/8 holes, which I think were a really good size for this, because then you can just put plugs in after, but we didn't have plugs for the 5/8 hole, so we just used I believe it was like a 3/4 plug that the factory provided, which also looked really clean when we put them on. Those are the caps on the 2x2s going on, and then we're securing it to the wall. And that's with the hidden U-channel attached. So we used Tech screws to mount it to the structural 2x2 post. And that's gonna let us put our slats in, our 1x4s. On this one, I did it every other. So it's 1x4, so 4 inches slat, 4 inches no slat, 4 inches slat. Pretty straightforward, and I give us about a 1/2 inch of play to like a 1/4 inch to slide in the slat so it can move around a little bit, but still have the screws grab on the left and right side. Here we're putting the first one, so again we went about 4 inches up from the bottom. Or you know what, we actually lined up with the brick wall. We were lining up so it was visually looking right, which was fairly level. The home was in San Pedro, so it was kind of up on a hill. It's like a long driveway. So the house is settling a little bit, but not more than a 1/2 inch on the entire block wall. Those are the slats going in. So when we got to the top, I evenly spaced the last 2 between the top one and the 4th one down. So it's kind of the same when I built a lattice patio cover. You just split the difference and make it look visually level. You can adjust more, like 3 of them at a time or 4 if you need to make it look visually right, but it usually works out for me. And this 4K material is actually very popular to use with patio covers. That's what they originally started as, and they've just started branching out into fencing. So I think it's a great move. Again, I've done a lot of different materials for fences this year, and most of them have different issues popping up, but this was the cleanest, quickest way to build a fence I could come along with, and honestly it was one of the best prices that I've come along with too. That's the hidden U-channel right there, and that's our screw attaching to the wall. So we use zinc screws. You could use different sort of concrete wedge anchors if you'd like. That's us matching the spacing on all of them. So I use a soft hammer when I'm working with extruded aluminum material like this. It helps move it without damaging it, and you're not gonna hurt your hands or anything trying to like hit it into place. So it kind of is a good way to tap it. And we just match this side to the other side, our spacing. So 4 inches. I think on the top it ended up being like 3.5, 3 in between the top 4. And then flush to the top for this one. And that's us putting the screws I was telling you about. Originally we did 5/8 holes, but we used the unibit to step it up to I believe 3/4 so we could put the plugs that were provided from the factory. And that's the cover going on. So I really like that cover. I really think it looks awesome, like covering up all those screws when you're doing the fencing, because something that comes when you're doing fencing. Just gives it a really clean look. I really like that color white. They have about 5 different colors, and there's like a wood painted one that is painted to look like wood. Not embossed, but painted to look like wood, which looks pretty cool. I believe that one's coming out this month. So cool system. I really think 4K is onto something with their fence model, and I'm glad to have been able to kind of build it and work with the product. Thank you 4K for the material. And yeah, here we're just cleaning out the driveway. We did the turf and the DG and like the block wall, dirt, and a drip system on this job also. So just kind of showcasing that here. The DG is actually gonna have a trampoline on top of it, so I think that was pretty cool. And then there's a drip line going through the planter on the right. And yeah, really clean, great looking material. I think this is one of the best looking fences we've done this year, by far. Once those plants start kind of growing into it, it's gonna look awesome too. Thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate it. I know it's a little bit different and it's not a patio. We'll probably make some patio videos going forward out of the 4K material to showcase to you guys. It's really a cool product line to work with as far as like custom designs go. It's more of a lattice. We do have some solid builds you can incorporate with it, but cool material, cool designs, modern look. I really like the clean, like no maintenance that comes along with it. So I hope you guys have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and Everyday Patio out.